I didn't think I could have a YouTube channel as a nature and macro photographer. I kept thinking there was too much competition. Too many photographers already sharing tips and photos online. But then I started anyway. With small, simple videos, people actually enjoyed them. Not because they were perfect, but because they were real. So if you're a nature and macro or macro photographer thinking you can't start, you can. Your perspective matters. Start small, share your vision, and let your work inspire others.